Were you trying to get crazy with this, eh? Don't you know I'm loco?
Alright, first we're going to take the dyes that we have in our capillary tube and we're going to place them on the line that we have already drawn, and we're just going to dot it very gently, and we're going to do that with each dye. Next, once you have all the dyes on your TLC plate, you're going to place it in your solvent, and we used 1 water, 1 acetone, 1 propanol to 1 acetic acid. And you want to place it into the solvent so that it does not touch the dyes. A rubber band and a plastic top on top of it so that none of the vapors escape. And you just let it sit and let it do its thing. Now we're going to take our third solvent, our third TLC plate, and take it out of the solvent, and we're going to immediately draw our solvent line. So that now we can calculate our RF values. RF value for our next dye, and I'm first gonna measure how far the dye traveled, and you do that by reading halfway in between. So it's about 5.5. Alright, 5.5, and we're going to divide it by the distance the solvent traveled. On the very bottom. Yeah, that's right. Starting from the very bottom to the solvent line, and it is about 8. And we get 0.688 for our RF value for our unknown.
Alright, then we put each capillary tube and place it on the TLC plate in little dots.
Next one.
Alright, then place it into the water, 1 propanol acetic acid solution. And it's about halfway. And cover it with plastic and secure it with a rubber band. Wait and see what happens. I'm gonna remove our TLC plate from the solvent and draw our solvent line. Our RF value. So the first step is to calculate how far our dye traveled, and I'm gonna line it up with the dye line and see how far the orange dye traveled, and it looks like it's about 6.9 centimeters. Yeah. And then divided by 8, which is how far our solvent traveled, gives us 0.8625. I'm going to dot this plate for our next trial. I'm going to place my card in this 2 propanol glacial acetic acid solution. Just place it in there, and that's it. Covers about halfway up, and then you put plastic wrap on top, secure it with a rubber band, and wait. We have our completed chromatography sheet. Looks like this, and I'm going to So we can calculate the RF value. So to calculate the RF value, we're going to see how far this dye moved. And that is at 5.35. So we'll put that in here. 5.35. And then divided by how far the solvent moved, which is 8 centimeters. So divided by 8 gives us 0.6668